everyone. Let's talk about one of the most powerful tools in today's market, real estate assumptions. Now, this is pretty important if you're thinking about selling. An assumption allows a buyer to take over your existing mortgage, including your interest rate. That's why it's so important. So if you've locked in at one of those low rates at 2.5% or 3% and rates are sitting just around 6%, this can be a great selling advantage for you. Why that matters. Buyers aren't just shopping for a home, they're shopping for a payment, and higher interest rates are not as attractive. If they can assume your lower interest rate, their monthly payment can be significantly lower compared to getting a brand new loan today. That savings alone can make your home stand out with the competition. To use this strategy, we first must confirm your loan is assumable, which means it's got to be FHA, VA, and some USDA loans. If it's conventional, they're not. Then we market the home highlighting the assumable rate and estimated payment savings. It creates urgency, attracts more qualified buyers, and can justify a stronger offer. In a high-rate market, your low-rate mortgage isn't just a loan, it's a selling feature. And when positioned correctly, it can absolutely get your home sold. Now, here's the other amazing thing. Most of you are sitting on some equity because if you got those rates, it was prior to the current market and you watched the COVID results skyrocket your equity. Well, a lot of buyers out there can't come up with the cash for the difference in what you owe to what your home's worth today. And there is a new product out there to cure that problem too. For lack of better word, let's call it the gap loan. And this loan will allow them to get a secondary loan on the difference of what your loan balance is at that beautiful low rate up to your purchase price, so they're not having to come up with major sums of cash. That's been the hardest part with assumptions in the past, is there's a lot of equity there and the buyers didn't have all that cash to pay. I have the solution for that now. So selling your home, and if you have an assumable loan, it can now be a very impactful tool to use. As always, thank you guys for joining me. I'm Missy Stakers, broker owner of MStagersRealtyPartners, and we appreciate you being our past clients.